This video shows how to set up a data dump for the very first time and how to schedule it. So as an example, we have a vendor in Germany who requires a data dump of a couple of objects out of Salesforce, and they need this extracted, let's say, every week. So first we have to build the export, and we use demand tools for that. So let's say they need data out of the opportunity object. So let me go back here actually. We're going to use Mass Effect and opportunity, right click, export table. And if we want to export absolutely everything out of the opportunity table, we would just leave all this blank and we would go ahead and select the fields that we want in the output file. However, let's filter it down. Let's say we only want where domain equals Germany. You click it here, equals Germany, add condition. You could certainly do more. Maybe we want transaction stage to be closed one. You would find transaction stage and so on. So here's our filter, and then let's check off the fields that that the vendor wants to see. So I'm just clicking a few, just, for the demonstration. So after you do that, you don't have to export it, or you certainly can as a test. So we're going to save the scenario and save everything in database management, in SP, data dumps, demand tools, scenarios. So let's call this German donations. Okay. And close that. And then let's say they need accounts. So right click and same thing. Maybe they want only German accounts. And again, for the demo, I'm just going to click a few random ones. Save the scenario. Let's call it German accounts. Okay, so close demand tools. We have the queries all set up. Now we have to schedule it. So I set up a OneDrive folder for this vendor. They're called Affinitas. So we want to export those two files, the accounts and the donations, into this folder, and then the vendor will retrieve it from here. So we opened up Windows Task Scheduler and create a basic task. Let's call it German data dump. And let's say we need to run it weekly. How about every Sunday at 3 a.m. It's good to do this off hours. So next, start a program. Okay, so we have to fill out this. So program script, we're going to browse. Oh, it opened up right away. So it's in the C drive, program files, demand tool 64, and this one. So it's the actual application. So the first step to this task, it needs to open up demand tools. Then this one is a little trickier. In here, it's a certain syntax that you have to follow. Basically, you need to pull up that demand tools job, and then you have to indicate where you want that file to be sent, which is that OneDrive. So let's leave it blank for now because I want to copy another task so we have the correct syntax. All right, so let's pretend we finish this. So I'm going to open up one that is already up and running just so we could copy the syntax. All right, so just open up anyone. It doesn't matter. See, we need to put it in quotes, the top thing. So I'm going to copy this entire thing, and then we'll edit it as we need. And I'm just going to paste it in a text pad. So back to Task Scheduler, close this, and let's open up the German one that we didn't finish. German data dump. Double click. So actions, edit. Oh, I did put in quotes. Good. Okay, so let's go back to this. We need to. So the first string, you can see it's in quotes. We need it's the location of that demand tool's job. So this whole link is correct. Data dumps, demand tool scenarios. But let's delete this and let me open up this location. And let's just copy the entire name of this, German accounts. Again, this is the demand tools job. Okay. And then here, the C drive is where it's going to export that file. So it's in the OneDrive. Actually, you know what we could do? So I'm going to open up that location. This is the location I want to save it in. I'm going to copy this and just paste it. And we'll call it accounts.csv. So now let's copy this entire string and paste it back in here. And just make sure the quotes are at the beginning and the end of each string. C, yeah, and then here at the end. Jump to the beginning, yeah. So again, what this argument is, the first thing is the location of the demand tool's job and which job it is. We had named it German accounts. This refers to that. And then the second string is the location of the OneDrive where we want to dump out this file. And that's it. So then we could add the next one, which are the donations. Let's go back to this. Demand tools. Demand tools. We're going to do the donations. And then let's just, all of this is the same. Let's just call it donations.csv. Okay, and I'm copying this entire thing, pasting it in the new German donation job. All right, so we have 2 tasks, and they're scheduled to go next Sunday or every Sunday, and that's it.